Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, so we're going to make a white sauce here. What I've got here is 1 pint of full fat milk. You can use a different type of milk if you want. 3 tablespoons of plain flour, a teaspoon of nutmeg, salt and pepper, little pinch of each, less than a teaspoon I would say, and then butter. I've probably got there 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, if you can't be bothered to do this, feeling a bit lazy, you could use chicken soup. So look, I'm doing this in this kind of bigger pan just so you guys can see what's going on, but you can do this in a small little saucepan. So I've melted the butter there, and we're on a low heat, you know, don't have it up too high. We're going to drop in the 3 tablespoons of the plain flour. And on this low heat, we're going to stir this around and around and around and around and around for about 5 minutes or so on a low heat. We want to cook this flour. We don't want to add the milk without cooking the flour properly, because then you'll have a very nasty, floury tasting white sauce. What we want is a digestive biscuit or shortbread kind of taste. You can actually, in a few minutes, taste that, and it will taste like a, what we call in the UK, a biscuit. So it's about 5 minutes on a nice low heat. So I'm confident that that's good now. Okay, we're now going to go with some milk. So we're going to drop in just about 1/4 of it and start stirring. And it will thicken, you know, really thicken in fact. As the heat goes through the milk, you can see that. Let's go in with another 1/4. And like I say, if you don't want to do this, you could use a can of Campbell's or Heinz, you know, cream of chicken soup. Personally, I think that's horrible, but you could do it. Okay, now I'm going to go with the rest of the milk. Little bit of salt and pepper, little bit of nutmeg, and we're going to cook this now again on this low heat, stirring and stirring and stirring for about another 5 or 6 minutes. It will thicken up and the lumps will go if you keep stirring with a wooden spoon. Then you've done it. Okay, so off goes the heat. You can see that that has come out really nice. Well, I like that consistency, that's good for me, and really nice and smooth. If you've got lumps in it, that's because you was a bit lazy and you just weren't continuously stirring. That's been your problem, I think. Okay, that's it, that's done. Now, if you want, you could get some mustard in there, some cheese in there, some other herbs, something like that.